make a girl feel, make her feel good. All I wanna know is there any boys around that know how to make a girl feel, that wanna make a girl feel, make her feel good.
Okay, so I already primed my eye. Excuse me. I already primed my eye with the MAC Ochre Soft. What is this called? The MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I just put it on my eyelid and set it with some translucent powder. And the first shade I'm gonna go in with to start off this look will be this NYX color called STFU, and we're just gonna put that right in the middle of our eye and blend it up as our chin. And make sure with this color you really have to like build it up because all over it. Easy. Okay, so the next color we're gonna use is from this really cute Morphe Picasso palette, and we're gonna use this orange right here and put it right below that yellow to give it a good transition shade. Hold it right, so we're just gonna go in with these two pinks right here and put it right below the. I like to pat the color on so I don't go in so harsh and then wipe back and forth. With this color we are going to make sure we get like all around in the inner corners as well. Okay, so that's done. The next color we're gonna go in with is from this ItsMyRayeRaye times BH Cosmetics palette. It's called Connie. I think it's Connie. That makes more sense. But it's right here. This is like deep purple. So we're gonna use this deep purple, and to give it that like super dark color, we're gonna little tad bit of the black from this palette. Okay, and also with this color, you want to make sure you're only putting this in like literally the corners of your eye and like a little bit in the crease just to blend it all out, but really focus it right here. Okay, so your eye should look like this, okay? And right now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a jumbo crayon stick, a white one from NYX, and shade it in where I put the concealer at. Okay, so it should look something like this. Now we're just gonna go in with the same yellow we used for the transition shade to do the inner part of the halo eye. Okay, so I know I didn't shade it all the way in, but that's because we don't have to. We are going to go back in with that purple and black just to blend out the ends of the concealer in the other shade. Okay, so now we're just going to take this blue from that Morphe palette we used earlier and place it right beside that deep purple color that from the same palette. We're going to use the orange that we did the other color and put it beside the blue. We're going to use a white liner from NYX and put it obviously where your liner goes. Alright, so I already primed my face and put my foundation on. I'm just going to put the Fenty Beauty 320 shade and the Maybelline Fit Me in 250 on my face. Highlight. I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer in Creamy Beige. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my face with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so now we're just going to use this contour palette from BH Cosmetics to bronze and contour the face. Alright, so I don't know what happened. I kind of got lost in trying to figure out what to do with my under eye because I really didn't know what color I wanted. I still don't know if this is what I wanted. And then I came back with some lip gloss. I don't even know if this is the lip gloss I wanted. But anyways, we're just going to move on to the highlight. And I'm going to use the one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette. And I'm going to use Glow Getter.